थिंगा वचून पयरूय मेवले ते फकत म्हणटा ते पंचायत मिनिस्टराक विचार
आय थिंक तुम्ही म्हाका विचारता एज इफ आय फिक्स द डेट.
ना ना
डायरेक्टर फिक्स द डेट अंडर द पंचायती राज ॲक्ट आणि पळय डायरेक्टर ऑलरेडी स्पष्ट जबाब दिला. देर आर 60 days टू डिसाइड अँड meanwhile in this intervening period he has said even deemed cases where दिवपा जाय आसले लायसन्स दिवना. So they have come to know so many things. So they said we need some time, we'll settle that and then we'll fix a date.
तेंच्या हितून
So in any case it has to be fixed within 60 days.
तेंच्या हितून भिरांत आसा की ह्या दिसांनी सेटिंगूय जावंक शकता म्हणटा ते तेणी म्हणलो आरोप केला.
In fact we have said do it as soon as possible. In fact I said do it before Monday.
ओके
कोणाचेर व्हिडिओचेर आरोप नाका, डायरेक्टराचेर नाका, कोणाचेर नाका म्हणून. Yeah, coming Monday, but he told me it will need time. You will be surprised how many things were kept pending. I don't know the numbers, 3 big sets and which have already been given permission. तांकां लायसन्स दिना. अशें सुद्दां जाल्लें आसा. कोणे डॉक्युमेंट दिल्ले फूल पळोवपाक गेल्यार मिटिंगे पास केल्या दिना डीम प्रोविजन आसतना सांगप की तें डॉक्युमेंट ना म्हणून मागीर डॉक्युमेंट काडला. सो अशें खूब आसा. सो लेट the director report to me exactly what is the problem. We have no intention of delaying. I want it done as soon as possible.
पूण खंय उरला तर ते तुमकां डिले नाका म्हणटा डायरेक्टराच्या हातीन सगळें आसा जाल्यार एज अ मिनिस्टर तुमचोय कंट्रोल आसता न्ही.
Don't forget that previously also Sankwal Panchayat has come under scrutiny of the court. If anything goes wrong, he will be held responsible more than anybody else. So he is being a little extra cautious. And should the government not support him if he is following the Panchayati Raj Act, if he is following the law, I should fully back him, no?
तुळशीदास
आनी कोणे कितें केल्लें म्हूण तेका कित्याक
तुळशीदास पंच म्हणटा आमी बीजेपीचे आमकां कित्याक कितले दीस
Here
धरता.
there is no BJP, here there is no some other party. Here is the question of following the Panchayati Raj Act. Here it is the question of following the law. Understood?
सांगता की आपण टाइम ना आय एम बिझी इन माय वर्क्स म्हणटा आमकां सांगलें.
Of course he is busy because as far as Sankwal is concerned, in fact I have asked somebody to remove the records as to how many RTI applications have been filed. The number of RTI applications that have been filed will be the sum total of all other panchayats people asking for this information under RTI. So is the secretary or is the director or is the BDO going to sit with only these things? One has to think, no?
सो नेक्स्ट वीकान नोटीस काडटले इलेक्शनाचे.
नेक्स्ट वीकान न्हू. नेक्स्ट वीक म्हळ्यार ते फायनलायज करून रिपोर्ट दितले गव्हर्मेंटाक आनी म्हाका कडेन डिस्कस करून मागीर तेणें सांगलां आपण काडटलो कित्याक आपण त्रासां पडपाक सोदना. तेणें स्पश्ट सांगलां बिकॉज इट इज अंडर स्क्रुटनी ऑफ द कोर्ट्स. आय डोंट वॉन्ट टू सफर because I don't want any black dot on my career.
So you all have no issue in removing the notice for election?
Absolutely not. What is our interest? In fact, I am telling them do it as soon as possible.
पूण सेम पंचायतीचे इश्यू आसता
now in between तीन holiday येयले न्हू.
Correct.
तीन holiday येयले नाल्यार तो जावपाचें.
But how would your director or department take and see that बाबा ह्या सायडीचे ते ऑफरी दिता पोस्टाक हे ते जायना.
See, that is all bullshit. As they have formed a group, it will be formed. Then that will be an answer to them. They mean to say their people are up for sale, to say that there is horse trading. What they are talking of? That means they have no confidence in themselves and their own people. कितें उलोवप आजकाल कितें जालां उलोवपा जाय म्हूण कितेंय उलयता अशें जालां.
सेम पंचायतीन परत परत असो इश्यू जाता सेम पंचायतीचेर.
Don't forget that it is one of the largest panchayats in Goa. Don't forget it is I think the second largest richest panchayat after Kalangut. So obviously everybody has some interest. Government has no interest absolutely.
बोलत्याच कोत्ता तुका त्रास भोगचे
पैशा भानगडी बी जाता म्हणटा तुमी रिचेस्ट.
बोलत्याच कोत्ता कितें आनी तुमकां त्रास भोगचे पडटा.
कितले फाटी जाला म्हाका. I take it in my stride. I have no problem facing it. Understood? No, when your conscience is clean, you are not in anything. Why should I feel anything? That's the whole thing.
करप्शन बी इन्वॉल्व आसा काय म्हणून पंचायतीन जेन्ना पैशा भानगडी.
म्हाका खबर ना बाबा.
रिचेस्ट म्हणटा
आता तेणे रिपोर्ट दितकूच आमकां गमतलें आनी हांव आनीकूय कितें कितें पब्लीक करपा जाय जाल्यार योग्य वेळार हांव करतलो. लेट मी गेट अ प्रॉपर रिपोर्ट. नो अर्दे कुठे म्हाका सांगनाका. आतां तुमी तो डेट काडा तशें जायना.
आमी डेट काडा म्हणूंक ना सर. आमी चालना तुमकां आमी डेट काडा.
तुमकां येवन सांगता तुमकां मेळटा आनी तुमी वचून मागीर
डायरेक्टराचे
पावन्स जाता बाकी ऑफिसरांचे तुम्ही पावन्स जाता. डोंट डू दिस. एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन डज नॉट फंक्शन लायक दिस.
पूण वन सायडेड करूं मेळना न्ही सर.
दोगांचे अंडर प्रेशर एंड दिस थिंग शुड नॉट हॅपन.
ओके
ओके.
प्रभू वायलेटर ते त्यांचे कामूच जावना म्हणटा. तुम्ही डायरेक्शन दिले 15 दीस जातले बट
नो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वॉटर दे आर गेटिंग restricted आसले ते all the time. He has only to enhance the capacity of the STP plant. He has been told to do it as soon as possible. I think any one of these days they will be fixing the agency. Within 15 days they said it will be fixed also.
परत ते openly
If it is not fixed, I am calling another meeting at the secretariat with all the department, and if nothing is done,
ते ट्रीटेड वॉटर परत ओपनली सोडताले.
की ओनर इतलो अग्रेसिव्ह जाता तशें सर.
see, I don't want to get into that. That is like their personal fight. Please don't put me in that.
बरं, थँक्स.
तुम्ही पळयतात गोंयकारपण, गोंयकारांचो गोंयकारा खातीर.